persistent quality and performance, consistent technology and worth, service and enthusiasm oriented, innovations and breakthroughs resulting from endless endeavors. Since its establishment in 1985, Oscar EDM Company Limited continues to launch new generations of electric discharge machines based on its business philosophy, endless innovations and breakthroughs, combined with powerful R&D capabilities exclusive for meeting customer requirements. OSCARMAX, Oscar EDM has been marketed to more than 30 countries in the world. All staff members work together as a team, single-mindedly insisting on precision and challenging existing technologies time and again with abundant manufacturing know-how and experiences accumulated that are highly acknowledged by the industry. R&D is fundamental for a thriving enterprise. Oscar has long engaged in a policy of continuous R&D activities. Our EDM machines of the moving column series, which is currently the leading model in Taiwan, have reached a travel of 3,000 millimeters in their x-axis, 1,000 millimeters in the y-axis, and an unprecedented 1,000 millimeters in the z-axis as well. It is not only providing more optimal model selections, but also offering more versatile electric control systems, ranging from a traditional electrical controlling system to a more advanced CMAX template control system that is capable of all-directional 3D process applications. Combined with a fourth axis or even a fifth axis, an EDM machine can be further enhanced to deliver state-of-the-art performance. All models of the series have attained the CE certification of the SGS system. Combining internal R&D talent with top research centers aiming for fully autonomous control of key technologies, Oscar has become the top EDM manufacturer in Taiwan by establishing an EDM product line that provides the widest range of professional machines with fully covered specifications. Oscar fulfills perfection with a series of innovative products. The OSCARMAX brand has entered a new era of precision and excellence resulting from precision manufacturing. With high-accuracy production lines, we perform standardized production via high-efficiency processes integrated for the entire plant. From material prior preparation to the process of final product assembly, strict quality standards are specified over each and every step, including warehousing, processing, assembly, and QC, with the utmost attention paid to every detail of each production process. In order to secure the highest processing precision, each machine is subjected to multiple inspections and tests before delivery for achieving persistent reliability in long-term operations. OSCARMAX continuously strives to promptly fulfill customer requirements. We never stop delving into brand new EDM technologies. Under the leadership of the CEO and President, OSCARMAX will continuously refine themselves to reach an even better realm of EDM technologies that can assist customers in quickly entering the markets to ensure their competitiveness within the industry.